Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Stefan Thomas, and right now I'm very excited to share with you Autopilot method number 2. Now, for those who have not watched the first video for the Autopilot method number 1, you definitely want to make sure to go back and watch that because that's the first thing that I want people to know when it comes to setting your business up on Autopilot. Because there's no greater feeling than to know that you don't have to be glued to social media all day just to earn online. So this is Autopilot method number 2, and I'm on a website called snappa.com. That's S as in Sam, N as in Nancy, A for Apple, P for Peter, A as in Apple.com. So this is a free website that you can go to get free graphics, and I'm going to show you how to take pictures and set them up on Autopilot so you don't have to do things the standard typical way that you see everybody else doing it. Like the standard typical way is when you create a post about this Autopilot cash system and you tell people to comment info below or let me know if you're interested down below, and then somebody will come down below into the comment section and say info, and then when they say info, you ask them to message you directly, and once they do, then you have to send them your website link, and then they go to your website link, and that's just a long process. But I'm going to show you how you can avoid having to go through that long process just to get people your website link. And you can do this through pictures. Now, I'm not talking about just regular pictures where, people have to type in the website address. I'm going to show you how to put pictures on Autopilot. So I'm at snappa.com. And snappa.com is free. They give you I believe about 10 templates you can use for pictures in a month's time before they tell you that you have to upgrade in order to use more images. But if you ever run out of your 10 templates for the month, I'm going to show you other places where you can get free images that are copyright free and they're royalty free, so you don't have to worry about getting in trouble for using them. So most people will say just go to Google Images just to get an image, and the answer is no, you shouldn't do that because a lot of those images may be subject to copyright and you may not even know that they are. So the best places to go are places that I'm going to show you later on in this video. So let's get started. So right now I'm at snappa.com, and I want to use Facebook as an example because I know that a lot of people love to post on Facebook. So because we're creating a Facebook post, I'm going to select the first option, Facebook post. And then that's going to take me to hundreds of templates. Now, this snappa.com has hundreds of templates you can choose from. But for those who are not aware, anyone who joins this Autopilot cash system is also going to get access to vacation getaways and bonus incentives not available to the general public. Now, I do want to make mention that this is not something that $25 1UP offers by itself. I am the creator and founder of Devant Travels, and because of that, I have access to all of these perks that people can offer their leads and their signups just for taking advantage of this opportunity. So this is something that people will get just by being on our Devant team. It's not coming from $25 1UP. It's coming from our Devant team and our Devant team only. So we have perks that you're not going to find anywhere else. So because it involves travel benefits for those who join our team, I'm going to go down and try to find something dealing with travel. Let's see. Looking for some. I always try to find something that stands out, something that's appealing, and I think I like this one. It's nice, bright, and purple. We're going to go ahead and use this one. And this one says top 100 budget-friendly hotels. Now, you can actually edit these words. You don't have to stay with these words. If you want to add a different background, you can click background right here. If you want to add special effects, you can click this button. Or if you want to add additional text, you can do that right here by clicking the text button and selecting what type of heading you want to use. Do you want to add a bold heading? Do you want to add a regular subheading? It's up to you. But I like it the way it is, so I'm going to click on this box and I'm going to type in, let's see, earn daily on Autopilot while enjoying vacation getaways Now I'm going to go ahead and make this smaller just so it doesn't get in the way of the stars because I like the star image. Let's see. And if you want to make these words smaller, you can. I'm going to go ahead and make them smaller. Clicking the down arrow. Let's go ahead and shrink this a bit. Shrink this. Bring it together. This is pretty much drag and drop. So earn daily. Let me shrink it a bit more. Earn daily on autopilot while enjoying vacation getaways. And then I'm going to add a subtitle. And let's see. Add a subheading. Okay, so I'm going to say click picture for instant access. And this is just a general example. You can be as creative with this as you want to be. Click picture for instant access. So let me drag this down a little bit. So now people are going to know that once they click on a simple picture, they can visit your website. Instead of doing things the long way and asking people to message you directly and comment info below, people will have the option to just click on a simple picture and go straight to your website. Autopilot. So once you create the picture, you want to make sure that you title the picture so you can find it in your computer once you download it. Also, this is best done on a computer, just to make you guys aware of that. So I'm going to title this Autopilot Cache, just so I can find it in my computer. Autopilot Cache. And then you select download. Make sure not to select save, but select download. And you want to select the first option, Web Optimized JPG. Let me go ahead and save that. Okay, so now that it's downloading to my computer, it looks like it's already saved. Yes, it is. So it's already saved. So once you have your image saved, you can go to a website called anyimage.io. That's A, N as in Nancy, Y, image.I for India, O for oval. So anyimage.io. And I've already done this, but I'm going to go back to the main website so you guys can see exactly how to do this. Anyimage.io. Let's see. Anyimage.io. We just had another sign up with the Autopilot cache system. That's great. All right, so anyimage.io, and you want to browse your files on your computer to find the image that you just downloaded. So I'm going to click on Browse Files. And I titled this Autopilot Cache. Remember that? So I'm going to select Autopilot Cache because that's what I saved it on my computer. And I'm going to select Open. Okay, so that's going to pull up the picture that I just saved on my computer. So let's see. Okay, so you see the picture, earn daily on autopilot while enjoying vacation getaways. Click picture for instant access. So here's how you put it on autopilot. So the first thing you want to do is select a title. So I'm going to select earn on autopilot while enjoying vacation getaways. This is going to be my title. For my description, I'm going to put Autopilot Cache System. You can title it any way you like. And for the destination URL, this is how you put it on autopilot. So for those who don't know, for those who join our team in the Autopilot Cache System, instead of us using the generic pages that the company gives us, I wanted us to stand out. So to make us stand out, I wanted to create websites that are just totally different from what everybody else had. So I'm going to go ahead and go to an affiliate link that I created earlier today for one of our new affiliates. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. So once you get your website link from me, which we make free of charge, let's see, where did it go? Where did it go? Okay. So once you get your link from me, you copy your link and you go back to anyimage.io and you enter it in the destination URL. So that's going to be your affiliate link where it says destination URL, and then you're going to click finish. Okay, and that's going to create for us another link that we can use. Now, I do want to make mention that Facebook hates links in posts. They do not like it when you put links in your post. So if you get your affiliate link or your website link from me and you keep putting it in your Facebook post, you put yourself in jeopardy of being blocked and banned by Facebook. So you don't want to overdo that. You actually don't want to do it at all. So I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to show you how to get around this method. Anyimage.io is Facebook compliant, so you don't have to worry about them having any issues with you using this method as long as you follow this next step. So now I'm going to take Facebook as an example. So when you get ready to make your post, you want to make sure that you put in a description, but you want to make sure to delete the link from anyimage.io. Make sure not to keep that in your post. So I'm going to say something along the lines in my Facebook post of earn daily on Autopilot. While enjoying vacation getaways. Click on picture below for instant access. Enjoy. So after I've made my comment, I'm going to take the link that I've made from anyimage.io and I'm going to paste it right here. But I'm not going to keep that link there because I know that Facebook does not like links in posts. So I'm going to take this link and right after it gives you the image, I'm going to take it and delete it. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like just a regular picture that people can just click on and go right to your website. So I'm going to put this to private because this belongs to another affiliate. I used their link as an example for this training. So I've already set it to private. So I'm going to go ahead and post it on private to show you exactly what it does. So you can actually share this to work from home groups. You can share it from your Facebook page over to other work from home groups if you like. And all you have to do is just click the share button. You type in the group you want to share it to. You type in your comment just like you did on your personal profile, and then you share it to whatever group you want. Now if you keep sharing this on a daily basis, all you have to do is just keep sharing the same exact post to different groups daily, and you stay consistent with it, but don't overdo it. You don't want to share to 20, 30 groups a day because eventually Facebook is going to get tired of you over posting and they're going to penalize you for it. So I could post to 5 or 10 groups and call it quits for the day. But what happens is people know that now they can just click on your picture and this is going to lead them right to your website. Let's wait for it to load. And it's a very convenient way so people are not waiting around for you to say, hey, info, can you message me directly? And then they message you directly, and then they have to wait for you to give them your link, and then they go to your website link. It's a long process. So if they know that they can just click on an image and go straight to your website, this is going to set your business up on autopilot so you're not out there posting all day and doing it the typical way of having people message you directly, or the regular way people are used to doing. So again, I hope this added value. Stay tuned for Autopilot method number 3, where I'll be sharing how to turn your Facebook page into an autopilot machine. So stay tuned for that. Again, this is Stefan Thomas, and I'll see you in the next video.